only use data. So sometimes it's very hard to sending, sometimes not. So that's why I tell you how many times already that we try to the Wayland. So now, and now you can send already.
I don't need to buy a new mobile. Not yet.
You need to buy it new. Eleven 20. So late already. Hello, thank you so much for the 52 viewers.
It's gone. It's gone.
The money is gone?
It's
Why?
It's gone. It's okay. I don't have the money.
Ay, Lord. The money is gone. So it's gone, no more money. Ayan, thank you so much for the 63 viewers. Hello, good evening. A little bit tired tayo ngayon because of I starting laundry 8 o'clock in the evening and now it's already 11:30. Yeah, but to those who are staying my live stream, thank you so much. That is the big help that is the big help and support, of course, because even though I was not in front of the camera, you're still there. Staying my live stream. So yeah, thank you so much, mga panggan. I love you all. Love, love, love. Yeah, thank you so much for the 62 viewers. Who are you, Mo? Mahmoud. Mahmoud. What is this? Mahmoud Alam. Who are you? I Miss Anne. I Miss Anne. Hector Aquino, hello. May I see you? I'm here already. Look, you want to look? You want to look at me? And your Lola is here already in front of the camera. Ayan, si Gog, si GD Go. What's this? Desire Olivares, hello. Dai IEQ, hello. Musab, Musab Dirar, hello to you also. Thank you so much anyway. Love you all, guys. Love, 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 guys. Love, love, love. Thank you so much. Nang dahil sa'yo.
One problem gone.
What is my problem, Gan?
The one problem is gone. One problem is gone. What is the bank is okay now.
Nasaan na kayo? Please come and join my live stream, mga palangga. Nasaan na kayo? I'm here already in front of the camera. Hello!